Hi everyone, welcome. Welcome to my new home. I apologize if there's an echo. We're still decorating and furnishing the home. We've been working feverishly for the last 3 days and 3 nights to get things all unpacked and ready to live a nice normal life. So this video is to sort of take you along and show you how I'm decorating the home so far, but in particular, I'm going to share with you how I've decorated a couple of areas in my home in a MacKenzie-Childs inspired fashion. And we'll start behind this door in the powder room. And please watch until the end. I'm going to share with you a beautiful piece of furniture that I purchased from Facebook Marketplace. And I know those of you that have been following me for a long time are going to know exactly how I reacted when I found that piece of furniture. So stay tuned. Alrighty, here is an overview of the powder room here. These are a lot of pieces you've seen me decorate with before. And this corner here, I'll go through it one by one. I just want to explain this piece of fabric here that is on the toilet. Of course, that will not be staying there. That's just a piece of Harlequin fabric that I have that I was thinking of going ahead and putting up on this window. It's not quite long enough for the entire window, so I think I will just use it on this bottom panel here. But let me take you around. Here on the wall that's opposite the door is this painting that in my previous home I had over a cabinet. I thought it looked absolutely perfect in this room because of the Harlequin pattern that's just right here in the corner of the painting, and the size of it is really ideal for this spot, this wall here. And then in the corner, what I have is a Harlequin patterned box that I've used in the past that I really love to use at Christmas time and Halloween. I do make it work for both of those holidays. I have that cylinder box there with a Harlequin pattern on it as well that I've filled with flowers, and then just a black candle holder with a black and white Harlequin candle. Then over here, just a black and white hand soap that was also in my powder room at the other house. And then in this corner here, I have this topiary that I made in a previous video. I made 2 of them, and I thought I would just use one in this room here. And then I used this fleur-de-lis here. The reason I used a fleur-de-lis in this styling here is because of the napkins that I have here in this box. This is a smaller box that is sort of in partner with the larger box over there. I think it is absolutely lovely in a guest bathroom to have individual napkins rather than have your guests sharing a towel. And so I will run out to Party City. I hope they still have these napkins. I think they do. I'll fill up the box with these, and I will just have my guests enjoy a nice personal napkin when they use this bathroom. And so this is my powder room in its glory with all this black and white Harlequin pattern. I won't forget, I decided to use this little planter here to hold toilet paper rolls. I thought that would be cute. And then this absolutely gorgeous mat here. I bought this in town, in my new little town here that I moved to. They have a gorgeous little shop that sells all sorts of home decor. I thought it was ideal. I love that there's sort of a wood look mixed in with the black and white, and I think that that just ties in with the rest of the look and makes it look warm as well. Now, before I get to the rest of the decorating, I just wanted to share This video is part of a closed MacKenzie-Childs decorating collaboration along with my lovely YouTube friends, Grandma Sandy, Glamour Ellen, Denise Glam Style Living, and Debbie at Blossom Your Creativity. Please be sure to visit the playlist link in my description where you can watch everyone's video to get loads of inspiration on how to decorate with real MacKenzie-Childs pieces or inspired pieces. Here in my kitchen on the countertop, I have styled a little tiered tray display. Now this tiered tray is from Michaels. It's new to me. I purchased it, I would say at the beginning of the summer perhaps, and I packed it up right away because I knew I was moving and it was so much fun to unpack it. I believe it was $39.99 Canadian and I did get my 30% off. Now here you can see these roosters. I DIY'd the wings with a bit of Courtly check patterned paper here, and I just Mod Podged them on. You may have seen the rooster tablescape video I did where I show you how I made these. And we have these tea light holders here with a gold and white check pattern. And then this adorable rooster. He is from HomeSense. He was a Mother's Day gift from my son. He was $16.99. I laughed that he left the price tag on there. But you can see he's gray and white, which is wonderful for how I am decorating this home. And you can see he's got gold as well, which picks up nicely with these tea light holders and also the gold napkin holder. When we move away from that kitchen display there and go along this wall in the living room, you can see what I've done here. A nice little simple but elegant Courtly check patterned display. And these are pieces you've seen me use before, but in the new home, in a new setting, I think there's just new life to it. You can see here these candles. I've used these on a couple of Tablescape videos. A beautiful checked picture frame here from Amazon. Again, some Courtly check pattern paper right inside. And then this beautiful vase in a black and gold check pattern, which goes with the black and gold in this print. And some white flowers to lighten up the look there. That print will be going up on the wall a bit higher. Again, there's just so much to do when you're moving in and some things just have to wait. Here we go. Here is the new piece of furniture I was telling you about. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine my reaction when I saw this piece of furniture on Facebook Marketplace? The seller happened to live in my neighborhood, and it was just such a joy to purchase this piece of furniture. She was originally asking $150. I offered her $100. She did not accept initially, but I sent her a nice little note telling her that I really felt like this piece of furniture needed to be in my life. It is so me. And, she wrote back to me and she said she does want it to go to a good home. I told her most definitely it's going to a good home. It will be very well taken care of. And so she ended up accepting my $100. This is a very heavy piece of furniture. It has a stone top there. And it is a little worse for wear. I do need to touch up some of the paint on it. And you can see what I've done here. I have that Harlequin patterned vase on top and the Harlequin patterned candle holder. Those prints I will be putting up on the wall as well as that painting there. Now again, we are in the midst of moving and getting the house completely unpacked and ready. So please do join me for a future video. I'm going to guess in about 2 weeks maximum, where I will be featuring a full home tour video of my new home. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. And please don't forget to watch the playlist that's linked in my description box to see everyone else's MacKenzie-Childs decorating video. Take care.